How to make vegan pizza. Hello, pizza lovers. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make an amazing vegan pizza that's both delicious and easy to prepare. Whether you're vegan or just want to try something new, this pizza will satisfy your taste buds. Let's get started. Bar ingredients. All right, let's begin with the ingredients. For the pizza dough, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 packet of instant yeast, 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And for the topping, 1/2 cup of tomato sauce, 1 cup of vegan cheese, 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, 1/2 cup of halved cherry tomatoes, 1 red bell pepper, sliced, a handful of fresh spinach leaves, a sprinkle of oregano. Now that we have everything we need, let's move on to making the dough. Making the dough. First, we're going to make our pizza dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 packet of instant yeast. Mix these dry ingredients together until they're well combined. Next, pour in 1 cup of warm water and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now, it's time to get your hands dirty. Knead the dough until it becomes smooth and elastic. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Once your dough is ready, place it in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it with a clean cloth, and let it rise for about an hour. It should double in size. Start preparing the toppings. While the dough is rising, let's prepare our toppings. Slice your mushrooms and red bell pepper, halve your cherry tomatoes, and wash a handful of spinach leaves. These fresh ingredients will give our pizza that vibrant and delicious taste. Assembling the pizza. Our dough has risen beautifully. Preheat your oven to 220 quarters or 430 degrees. Now, let's roll out the dough. Sprinkle a little flour on your work surface and roll the dough into a thin circle. Place the rolled out dough onto a pizza stone or baking sheet. Spread 1 porzione 2 cup of tomato sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a small border for the crust. Sprinkle 1 cup of vegan cheese over the sauce. Now, it's time to add our veggies. Arrange the sliced mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, and bell pepper on top of the cheese. Finally, add a handful of fresh spinach leaves. Don't forget to sprinkle some oregano for that extra flavor. Baking the pizza. Place your pizza in the preheated oven and bake it for about 10 to 12 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the crust is golden brown and the cheese has melted beautifully. The final touch. Our vegan pizza is ready to come out of the oven. Look at that deliciousness. Let it cool for a minute or two before slicing it up. You can even drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top for extra richness. And there you have it, a scrumptious vegan pizza that's perfect for any occasion. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you'd like to share your favorite vegan pizza toppings. Until next time, keep cooking and enjoy your pizza.